Hello loves, and welcome back to my channel. It's been such a long time, but I'm back, guys. This is gonna be a very quick video slash review and mini tutorial about this gorgeous crochet new hot off the press hairstyle that I have. So before I get started, you know the drill. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, go hit that subscribe button. Make sure you thumbs up this video if you love it, and feel free to leave me any comments down below about any questions, anything, even compliments you have about this new hairstyle. Okay, so let's get to it. Okay, so Jenna Collection sent me about 8 packs of this Mystic Braid. 24 inches in the color 1B30. That's the color I have on my hair right now. So it's some new crochet hair they had coming out, and they wanted people to try it out, and I'm gonna say I'm really loving it. Like, it is definitely different. It's a mix between like braids and faux locks, as you can see, and twist at the bottom, like passion twist ends at the bottom. It's like just like a 3-in-1 hairstyle basically. And I know if I was gonna do this individually, this will take me way longer than it took me to do the whole hairstyle crochet version, you know. And that's why I love my crochet hair. Like, braid your hair for like 30 minutes to 1 hour, and install process is like an hour, 1 hour 30 minutes, max 2 hours. It's very easy to install. I'm gonna attach a mini tutorial clip while I did this hair shortly after this video. I'm not gonna rant too much, but I just wanted to come show you guys this in person, live and direct. It is really gorgeous. I'm really happy with the results. I definitely can see myself rocking this hairstyle for a while, and I've been doing it again because I love the texture. I love that marley, like, natural texture. It's not too shiny or anything like that. The locks, braids, twists, whatever, they're like a good size. I like thick stuff on my head. It's been a while since I had like a full hairstyle like this, and I am loving it. They sent me about 8 packs, and I didn't really think I was gonna use the whole 8 packs, but I did. But you guys, don't mind me. Like, my story might not be your story. Like, I have a big head, so I think a normal head size could use about 6 to 7. I just happen to use all 8 because I like my hair very full, and I also had 14 braids going this way. So maybe if I had done like my usual 10-12 braids, I might have used less, but yeah, that might be a factor as well. But anyways, just wanted to show you guys this hair in person. It is gorgeous. The color is even better. It's like, this is my fall hairstyle as we head into September, because it is giving what it's supposed to give, honey. Anyways, let me know how you guys like this hair. I really love it. I can part it any way I like. I think that's another reason I made a full. Part it anywhere I like, on this side, this side. Okay, so I don't want to make this video really long, but I just wanted to come show you guys this in person. I'm going to give you guys a 360, and we'll get on to the mini tutorial, and that's it, you guys. Short, sweet, and direct, I think.
Okay, so I have about 14 braids in the front, and they're all connected in pairs. So I have like 7 braids going back and 14 braids in the front. So this process is very easy. Just take your time and you get the hang of it. So I take my crochet needle, pull it under my braid, latch it onto the hair, pull it through, and then I pulled the braid through the loop. And you're done. I'm going to do this again, slower so you guys can really see it. I have multiple videos on how to do crochet hair, so just watch closely and you should get the hang of it. So I'm taking my crochet needle and pulling it with a closed latch under my braid. I'm going to latch the hair on the hook, close the latch, and I'm going to pull it through my braid. And when that part is done, I'm just going to take the hair and pull it through the loop. And you're done, guys. That's how quick and easy it is. So I'm pretty much gonna go ahead and use the same technique throughout my whole head. And you guys feel free to space out the hair as much as you need. You don't have to do it like I did, where I did it close together and made it really, really full. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys quickly each stages as I went through the whole pack of 8 packs of hair. So yeah, stay tuned and hope you enjoy the video.
subscribed yet? Okay, subscribe, thumbs up. See you in my next video. Bye. Okay, so I just wanted to add that I'm about 5'10.5", let's just say 5'11", and the hair reaches me right above my butt. I love the length. I love it. I love it. I love it. It might look different based on your height, but this is what it looks like on me. And as you can see, I'm really feeling this hair. I haven't had hair long like this in a while,